Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dana and I live on an extremely tight budget. So if you are trying to figure out how to make ends meet and you think you're alone, you're kind of not alone. I'm there with you, alright? But this is how I'm trying to make it work. So hopefully it kind of inspires you to make it work too. Happy holidays. This most likely will not be out in time because yeah, life. But I hope that you guys are doing really well. I'm gonna get onto this. Okay, so this paycheck, I only got paid $853 and change. I just put it down to $850 because it's easier to get out of an ATM. So let's see. So jumping right into this budget, I have to pay this is going to be my internet bill, which I do not have Netflix, I don't have Hulu, Disney Plus, I don't have any of that. I just have straight internet. My kids watch whatever is on Amazon Prime because I do have that. If for some reason they don't want something on Amazon, then they either watch movies, because we still have tons of movies, or they can watch something on YouTube. My kids are always on YouTube or TikTok or whatever. And I do have a gamer, so don't have anything but that. And this is going to be, it looks like go weird, but it's $110, which is my average. Guys, I'm just breaking my thing over here. Oh god. I'm like, what else can I break today? So my gas bill, yeah, so they told me that they were going to disconnect me. I tried to stay on it, but they just jacked up the price, and it's more than like I could afford. It's like over $100 right now. But I'm going to keep throwing money, whatever I can, toward it and just pray for the best. So right now, that is going to be $20 is all I can afford to put toward that. My electric bill is higher. It's the same company, same, you know, everything. I'm going to go ahead and put $30 toward that. I do have like a little cash envelope that I'm putting toward bills. So I'm just going to let it all bulk up and accumulate. And then if I can't find a way to pay all of it off and it gets like way out of control, then I'll definitely use that money to do that. But as of right now, I'm just putting in whatever I can and hope that it doesn't continue to climb higher and higher and higher, because like I said, they just keep cutting my hours down. So with no money, you can't pay anything, and I'm looking for a second job. I think I told you guys, but I already got hired at CVS, and so I'm just waiting for everything so I can transfer. But the CVS is in Colorado, so technically I'm their employee right now, and I work for Walgreens right now, which, I mean, I don't know if you want to stalk me. I guess that's how you're gonna figure it out. But like I can't work for both companies, but the other company is going to give me more. I just got to figure out how to get to Colorado. I'm still waiting on the house. They said the 29th. Hopefully they let me know that. I still have not been approved for any kind of food assistance, anything like that. So I am putting $200 toward that and just praying and hoping that they're like, hey, you're a single mom and you're poor. Let's help you out a little bit, right? But you know what? I got this, and I'm going to make sure that my kids always eat. Food is going up. Now this is going up. So my budget is going to be $200 for my credit card. I do have a credit card. That's mainly how I've been surviving. But I'm going to put $50 toward that. I have a Burlington card as well. My kid needed a new coat, so that's where it's going to come from. Putting $40 toward that. Hot Topic, which, yeah, Christmas. I put $20 toward this one. And then gas money, which gas is through the roof right now, is going to be $100. I missed a day when I was spending $40 every 2 weeks. Now it's $100 every 2 weeks. if I have not said this already, because I might not have, and like I said, I tend to ramble, this is going to be a bi-weekly budget. So it's like $50 one week, $50 next week. I think food and the gas money is the only one that I really have to worry about that. Everything else is literally just bills. So with Christmas, I'm going to put $100 down, which I know that's a lot, but I'm driving down to New Jersey so that my kids can actually have Christmas with their family. So this is going to be part of it. And then for family, which is basically part of this, I labeled it when I was doing my budget as travel because of tolls and all that other stuff. So I'm just making sure that that money is in there. But that is going to be $50. For car insurance, which is super important. This one is $72, and then because I need to transfer my pharmacy license, Colorado has different standards. This is going to be $58 is how much that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this up. Like I said, I'm hoping that this is gonna be a super quick budget with me. So I might be rambling, I might be all over the place. 80-day, sorry, I apologize. But I hope that you guys are with me. So let's go ahead and try to add this up. Okay, so I didn't get the right number before because instead of putting 110, I put 100. So my total is 500, or no, not even close. It is $850. So that is what my budget was to begin with. This is what my budget is now. Don't come at me because I know that this is kind of irresponsible, but I always, like, I want my family to have, like, a good Christmas. It is kind of on a budget, especially with the prices right now. Everything is so expensive, but this is what I got. Next month, hopefully everything is going to be going toward moving. That's my main goal, so I'm not worried about like sinking funds and all that other stuff. I'm just worried about getting everything together so that way I can prepare for this move. Fingers crossed the 29th we'll find out when our move-in date is, if we do get the apartment, if we're staying here. I don't know, but with all that being said, because I do want this to be a super quick video, I'm going to go ahead and sign out. But I hope that you guys have a really good day, okay? Alright, guys. Bye.